In this video, you will learn one of the premier ways to earn money online. It is working for anyone with or without experience, and it is available worldwide. You do not need to have a wide social media following, social network affiliate marketing, and other expertise. What you would do is to copy and to paste some text only. Again, this hack does not require you to have any prior experience because you will just need to copy and paste. So, I will tell you about all this trick on this video today. Also, please make sure to finish the video until the end because I will explain how you can make money online using 3 websites. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let me start telling you how to earn money online. First, proceed to google.com. After that, you will look and search for Google News. I have a tip for you. The search results will show one domain that contains the latest news anywhere. This site is called news.google.com. This site will be the first website from your search results. In Google News, you will see various topics and news just like what a traditional newspaper contains. There is news about entertainment, science, health, news, business, technology, and many more topics about your own interests. Among these categories, I want you to focus on business, technology, entertainment, science and health, and sports. First, choose and click the health news category. The page will reload to show you recent news updates regarding health. You can navigate and scroll throughout the page to scan the list of health articles and find something that you like. As an example, let us look at this article which was uploaded recently. Just view the article and copy its content like this. After that, we would proceed to step 3, which is to visit another website. What we would do is to open a new tab and type spinbot.com. Press enter and you will be redirected to the Spinbot site. This website will be the one that will do all the hard work for you. It will rewrite and paraphrase your copied article. To do this, you just need to paste the article content that you copied on the space provided in the site. After that, Spinbot will process the article to make it different from the original version. After paraphrasing the article, you will use it on the 3 websites that I will tell you about. These 3 websites will compensate you for writing those articles. Some websites will even pay you for every word that you will include in the article. Again, you will utilize the paraphrased article when you proceed to the 3 websites that I will now tell you about. You will submit the paraphrased content or make an original article on the first website that I will tell you about. This site is called Eatwell.com. Not everyone is fond of writing or has the expertise on it. That is why I told you about Spinbot. It will allow you to earn money from writing even if you do not have prior experience or skills for it. You can use it to paraphrase the online articles and submit it to the site. After that, Eating Well will pay you up to $1 per word. Let's assume that the article that you will submit has 1,000 words and the site will pay $1 per word. Then, You will earn $1,000 online without sweating and exerting too much effort. All you need to do is to copy and paste the content, and it won't even take you more than 30 minutes to do so. You might be asking, how would I submit an article to this site? What you need to do is to look for the site's email address located at the bottom of their webpage. It is under the Contact Us Now heading. After that, copy the said email address and open your email on another tab. After that, compose a message and on the recipient list, paste the email address of Eating Well. In the body of the email, put the paraphrased article. As for the subject heading, type Article Submission. After that, you can now send your article to the site. They will evaluate your article, and if they like it, they will reply asking for your preferred payment details. You can opt to be paid through PayPal or bank transfer. The choice is yours. Now, you can choose where you will submit your article because I will still tell you about two more sites that you can use. The second site is called sierraclub.org. On this site, you can make money by submitting articles. To do this, go to their official website. You will find the instructions and details about how you can submit your article. All you need to do is to follow it accordingly. After that, you can now send your article through their email address. This is just like how you will submit your article to Eating Well. The only difference is the email address that you will put as your recipient. You will submit it on sierraclub.org. Again, just include your contact information in the email and put article submission on the subject line. After that, you can now paste your article and hit send. I have some advice for you. You can choose from a wider variety of topics for this site. You can include topics about technology and science. To do this, proceed to Google News and find articles that will fit the topics needed for the page. Now, the last website that you need to know is called daily.jstore.org. You can also submit articles on this site. Try to visit their site and read the guidelines posted. After that, follow the instructions accordingly. Unfortunately, this site offers less money than the other. However, it is still a pretty great deal considering that you won't really do anything hard. Instead, you will just copy and paste articles. Aside from that, you can maximize the outcomes because it only requires a maximum of 2,000 words per article. The site will pay 31 cents per word. You might think that it is too low, but when you add them all up, the amount will not be as bad as you think. You can even submit more articles to generate more income. See, the strategy for this video is to utilize Spinbot and rephrase articles to earn money. It is really simple and it can be done even without prior experience. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.